pollution beside the POWERPET railway station, railway tracks. Within the jurisdiction of the POWERPET railway station, beside the railway track, every day. I hereby request the General Manager, South Central Railway, to take care of this pollution. This is a residential area, third longitudinal road. Lot of pollution through that railway underbridge and from the railway tracks also. Kindly, sir, kindly take care. Most of the senior citizens and well-educated people are living here. And in between the residences, the municipal corporation of ELURU has allowed service centers, motor vehicle cleaning, repairing service centers also. Due to them also, a lot of pollution. Apart from that, just beside the railway track, you see the smoke every day. Several times we have complained to fire station also, ELURU. This is on the south side of the POWERPET railway station. Kindly catch the culprits and save our third longitudinal road, sir. Please. Every day. You see.